Okay, everybody, good morning. It is 8:19 in the morning. We are here in New Mexico. They have a mini museum, which is kind of interesting. If you look at the vehicles, like, how would somebody drive such a thing like this in those days? Interesting. Oh, nice looking bikes. And if you guys see the years of the models and everything, I feel like these bikes right here would probably be better than the ones we have today. Okay, so like I was saying, this is a museum. They actually have Master Yoda. Oh wow, nice. Then they got Elvis Presley. Like, learn much. Oh, look at this. That is all like the best times. They got a horse, gentleman, driving. They have a 1958. What a beauty of that. Man, they have a 1955 Corvette. Look at it. Oh, now which one would you drive? The 1955 or the 1958? That's a good question. Aww.
Neither.
Now that's not bad.
Only for one reason.
How is this a... Why would he put this in? I mean, I'm not gonna lie.
Because that's 715 horsepower, that's why.
With nitrous. Oh, that's beauty. Look at that. This one right here has got all that horsepower. I would drive that sucker. Oh my god, look at that car. 1957. 1954, 1959 Ford. 1963 and a half. How do you go in a half? Like, where's the other half?
Idiot, it came out on the 6th month.
Dipshit, it's a joke.
It's like the very first Mustang.
God.
Same thing with the very first Mustang.
Yeah, but it. Oh god. Look at all this stuff, people. It says, okay, so here's the new Southwest style of stations in Texas. Look at this. This is actually so cool. Like, there's everything that, like, back in the days. Man. From then to now, look at, like, the developments of cars, you know, ways to get around. Look at this, motor oil. Like, back then you had to pump your own gas. Like, no joke. This is 1903. See, it's a horsepower. Look at that. Man. Yeah. Look at that. Look how old that is. Man, look at this. Look at these beautiful bikes right here. Both of them.
Yeah, here I am in my little old place here. Hey, lady, if you don't mind, how about close the door? Sometimes a man's got to do what a man's got to do.
In 1972. Huh. Man. Look at the cash registers back in the day. Like, just look at that. And they have everything over here as well. Look at this. This is like, wow. Look at that. They got a $500 bill. Look at that. Like, I've never seen one of those. A $500 bill from the old school. Look at that. That's, wow.
That's not...
Really? 500.
Really? That's a different currency. That's not ours. Those aren't ours.
I thought that one was ours, but...
No. We never had a $500 currency.
Actually, we still do. You just have to actually ask for one.
You also gotta ask for the $1,000 one.
No shit.
But no one uses them. So it's pointless.
Well, it's collectibles. Look at all this. Here you go. Try to figure out how to freaking use this back in the day. Good luck.
It'd be easy. Pay out, change.
Yeah.
Yeah, guess what?
There you go. There's some your like a knife collection.
Yeah, but guess what?
What?
This is a lot harder to break in.
You think?
Yeah, you know who loves this right now? My sister.
Why?
Because she's an Elvis fan. You think Elvis should like?
Larry drove 1,500 miles to deliver these cars to share them with everyone. Wow,
Dissect cars.
that was nice.
Yeah, all these are right here. I like that one. And I like that one. That's about it.
And we have more cash registers. And what the fuck? Dude, look at that radio.
Cool.
Damn.
There you go.
Yeah, have fun on that.
Ooh.
What?
That's a gas. No, that's a fucking gas pump.
Yeah, there you go. Back in the old days, right there, it used to be served. Wall of drug.
Those wall drugs of South Dakota, USA.
Yeah.
Serve yourself.
Yeah, I wonder what they would be serving. Oh, this is actually.
Elvis Presley.
I know. I should do his voice. Oh. And we got more cars right here. I might as well do a small video skit for YouTube. And you said we're in New Mexico, right? So this is the new museum of New Mexico, and I think he's look, we have a passenger.
1965 Mustang convertible.
Guess what? I actually got to see one of these in real life, where it's not behind one of these, and it was actually nice.
Look at that front hardware on that.
I like that one too. What year is that? That's a 65. That's a fastback. 289 V8 automatic. Yeah, I would so drive this motherfucker. I would so drive. I'll trade ya.
Yeah, right. Like, yeah, that ain't gonna
Don't
happen.
do that.
Oh, hell no.
Oh, what?
What the fuck? Is this like one of the first mopeds? They're like motorcycle mopeds? Like, that's a good question.
I think that's the very first motorcycle.
What do you know? The military.
I wonder if they have one.
Look at that. Dude, these are all. Ty would love these.
Yeah, these are collectibles. Yeah, my mom would like that. It's no deal.
It says who they're donated by. Donated by Scott Smith. He donated all these. Those. Wow. Look at the dolls. Look at Elmo. Yeah, I know. They look like they're gonna come alive and just like kill you. Yeah, more Elvis.
You're not dead. She must have doing nuts.
Something's broken.
Motion sensor right there, see?
Oh my god. We're gonna get this. The Lobsters singing. That's hilarious. Oh, this is funny. Oh, that's hilarious. Okay, how's a cell phone a collectible? Look at that. They even have like an old school cell phone. Like,
It's a flip phone.
that's, anybody can collect that. That's like nothing. That's nothing impressive. Like these, yeah. Like I could say some of it's impressive, but you know, like, okay, the Pulitzer, that's some good. Yeah, some of this is old, some of it's not. Here we go. You want a picture with him? No. Only if I can switch my phone around somehow. Huh. Look at all this, man.
Got one of those.
What?
Coca Cola Classic.
Wow, look at this.
Actually, I have 2 of them.
There you go. Here's a Coca Cola machine. Have fun with that.
Tell me, look at that one right there.
Huh. Oh yeah, I would definitely want one of those.
There you go, there's a bike for you.
Hey Joe, here you go. Here's a bike. Let's learn how to do that. Back in the days. Hey, back in the days, look at the kids used to drive, man.
Yeah.
Funny.
And guess what?
They drove a mini car.
And they're metal. That's the thing too.
Yeah, no kidding. I know.
That's just metal.
Look at this. I know. There you go.
Okay, there you go. That's how you push your kid around.
Back in the days, in a tin bucket. That's a nice motorcycle right here. Oh man, this place is actually interesting. Look at all the M&M stuff they have. That's like ridiculous. Man. Yeah, my aunt, Darlene would be jealous as well because she's an Elvis fan. There's Elvis right there. Oh, the Betty, what's her name? Betty
Boot.
Yeah, Betty Boot. Man, I got a lot of her.
Right, look at
Look at all these cars, man. I would love this place right here.
Yeah, but you can grab them.
No, I would love to have that. Okay, nope. Yeah, look at this.
Yeah, you only allowed to do 3 minutes and 55 seconds.
Yeah, I don't have that much left. I'm just gonna do a quick one. Wow.
Yeah, you basically take it. You can see the NOS. The NOS bottle.
Where? Kinda. Yes, you can. In a way. Dude, look at that. There you go.
Yeah.
Man, this museum is so interesting. I don't know much to say. I mean, it's just more Elvis and Coca Cola than anything else. But what do you expect?
Well, you get Marilyn Monroe.
Yeah. Oh, here you go. Look, Pearl Harbor in World War II. My grandma and grandpa were in Pearl Harbor. Man, my grandpa was in Pearl Harbor as well.
Don't look at me that way!
That's annoying. Johnny Cash. God, did you really have to get it started? I think you and that turkey would be best friends. I kid you not. Okay, everybody, so we are at the end of the tour, and thank you for watching the museum in New Mexico. See you soon, back in Vegas.
In 11 hours.